Good morning, everybody. This is a quick review and training for end-of-year report card processes and what you should do on your report cards, your COVID report cards. All right, K-3 teachers, final grades. All students will receive a P. There's no 1, 2s, 3s, or 3 pluses. A final grade of P. You're going to leave the reading levels blank, and you're going to leave the learning skills and behaviors sections blank. Do not use E, M, or N. Everything's going to be a P, and it should be completed by May 21st. In the free-form comment area, this is for everyone as well. Free-form comment area, you're going to explain what the P means, and in my email that I send you, I will tell you exactly what you need to type there. All right, this is the handout that'll also be attached to the email to show you exactly what you need to do. Select a P for every standards grade, all subjects, including art, music, and PE. Okay, so all of those get a P, and you guys know how to do it on your report card. Is when you click the little arrow, it gives you your 1, 2, or 3. They've added a P on there, so you can just click on that P, and it'll fill all the way down, and then make sure you save the scores. On your Fountas and Pinella reading levels, leave them blank. Do not put a P in there. Do not put anything in there. And you can see on this picture, the P is across phonics, fluency, but there's no P under quarter 4 Fountas and Pinnell reading level. You're going to leave the language skills and behaviors for quarter 4 blank. Nothing goes in there. Language skills and behaviors. Also for PE, art, and music, you're going to leave those sections blank as well. We didn't see them, so we don't know how their behaviors are. You can imagine what they are at home, but at school, they weren't there. So you do not fill anything in for those areas. And then you're going to do the free-form comments to explain what the P means and the grade placement for next year, which will be included in the email that I send you. And then always make sure you save each time you make a change on these pages on the report card matrix that you're saving. All right, and same thing, everything, art, music, PE, instead of E, M, and N, it all gets a P. And then make sure that you do the drop down and that you save, and make sure that it says quarter 4. All right, and then when you're complete with the report cards, make sure that you move all students over to the report cards complete side of the report cards, and then you will save PDF and send to me in an email. All right, and then here's just some graphics of what it'll look like. So here's a regular report card, and you can see in quarter 4, they're all P's. All P's, and then over here in the third column, it's all P's for health, PE, and then down at the bottom, learning skills and behaviors is left blank. Okay? And then this is showing you area. This is going to be the area where the comments are going to fall once you input them. All right. 4 and 5 teachers, report cards, final grades. All students will receive a P for all subjects in quarter 4. Do not transfer the calculated grades to the report card. Do not select A, B, C, D, or F. We're only using P. Leave the reading level, handwriting, conduct, study work habits, and special conduct blank. The grading key does not reflect P is passing. It's just P. Use the free-form comment area to explain the P grade, which will be in the email that I send, and use the free-form comment area to explain promotion to the next grade level. Need to be completed by May 21st. All right, here's just an overview of what you'll get. Make sure that you review your quarter 4 grade book to confirm all the assignments are entered. Per the instructions accountability office, you are not assigning incomplete grades, and there should not be a 0 for any assignment on quarter 4. And if a student doesn't turn it in, you're just supposed to leave the grade blank in the grade book. It will not count against the student's calculations. Okay? And you don't need to transfer those grades because we're not transferring grades. We're just using P. So you don't need to transfer the grades. All right. They're getting P's, including achievement in art, music, and PE. Okay, so they'll get P's for that. And make sure that you save each page as you do it, and then you can see the graphic at the bottom where it's showing where it normally would have A, B, C, D, E, F. There is now a P. All right, leave the following grades blank: the reading level, handwriting conduct, study and work habits, and the conduct for art, music, and PE. Guess what? You're going to put nothing in those, but you select P's for the student grades, and then you're going to save the scores. And you can see the graphic at the bottom shows you what should be blank and what should have a P. You're also going to use the free-form comment section to explain the grades of P and the grade placement for the next school year. Okay, and then you can just see this graphic and it shows you how to save scores and do the comments. So then when you're done, your report card will look like this, and there will be all P's. There's no reading level. Down to the bottom, handwriting, conduct, study, work habits, there's nothing. Art, music, physical ed, education, there's P's but no conduct. And then the fourth 9 weeks, that's where the comments will be located. I will transfer over attendance and it will say 0 absences and 0 tardies. Okay, that's it. Love you guys, miss you guys, and if you have any questions, shoot me an email. But it should be pretty straightforward and easy. See you later.